Do you want to see a UV flashlight that fits on your keychain, has really good output, and is only 2.5 inches long? Well, look no further. This is the OLIGHT I3UV EOS. Let's go! Okay, y'all. I'm pretty excited about this one. This is the OLIGHT I3UV EOS. It's an extremely compact ultraviolet flashlight, and it's powered by one single AAA battery. My goodness, shoot! Look how small this thing is. That is super small. Perfect for your keychain. Let's see, does it come with a battery? Oh my goodness, it does. I guess one AAA alkaline battery. Oh, don't forget this part right here. Always take this out. Okay, so how do we turn this bad boy on? Oh, just twist all the way. Oh, it's pretty bright. So let's measure this. So this measures out about 2.25 inches. Diameter about 1/2 inch. And it comes with this battery case. And the weight on this is about 0.68 ounces. So you're not even gonna feel the weight on this when you're carrying it. So it's made out of aircraft grade aluminum, making it strong and long lasting. The versatile I3UV can be carried along to detect, you can use this on invisible stains, scorpions, rocks, minerals. You can basically do everything like any other UV flashlight. But we gotta test out how good this is, or how powerful this actually puts out, since it's such a small UV flashlight. And it looks like your standard in and out LED, I believe. And the wavelength on this is 395 nanometers. So you're going to get a lot of that purple visible light. But that's not what I was going for when purchasing this UV flashlight. I wanted that really small feeling, and I can put this on my my keychain, and I can have it for an everyday carry. So this UV flashlight is IPX8 rated, meaning it's water resistant. I believe up to 4 feet, somewhere around there. I see only one O-ring on here, and there's no openings on here, but I can't check the inside where the LED is. If there's I'm assuming there's an O-ring right inside there, but I can't check it to see. I guess we're just gonna have to test it to see if it is water resistant or not. I'm assuming so, since they did say it was. But if they don't have an O-ring there, what's gonna happen is it's gonna fog up after time. So I'm about 2 feet away with full sunlight coming in, and it blows through that. That's very surprising. Let's test it out with some invisible paint, so you can kind of see the difference here. So you see it's white, and then 2 feet away, it's coming out. Comes out a lot better in person. And I'm probably not going to do the 20-foot test in broad daylight, because that's not going to work at all. I already know. I mean, it could, but nah, it's probably not going to work. I'll definitely try it at nighttime though. So I almost forgot. Check out this warranty. Within 30 days of purchase, contact original seller for repair or replacement. Within 5 years of purchase, contact OLIGHT for repair or replacement. So basically, you have warranty for 5 years, if I'm understanding this correctly. So the outside is made out of durable aircraft grade aluminum, making it strong and long lasting. They drop tested this about 5 feet, so I wouldn't be too worried about it breaking. I'm actually pretty impressed by this. This is 4 feet away. Check that out. Let's try 20 feet away. So the farther you go out, you obviously get a wider beam angle. So I'm walking back. You're getting a little bit wider. I would say 8 feet maybe. I'm about 20 feet away right now. Not bad. Glow paint test. Works as good as any other UV flashlight. 20 feet test on UV paint. It definitely works. You can totally see it 20 feet away. Now, since this UV flashlight is in the 395 nanometer in wavelength, it's not going to work good with UV paint. This is Wildfire's invisible UV paint. So you can check this out. This is 395. And then we'll go here and do 365. Can you tell the difference? 365, 395, 365, 395. If you want to check out why this doesn't work, I have a difference video of 365 nanometers and 400 nanometers. I'll leave a link in that description box below. So the only problem I have with this is I've been running it for about 10-15 minutes and it gets pretty warm here. I mean, it's not a big deal. It's not super hot where, you know, you can't hold on to it, but it does get pretty warm. Other than that, this is a pretty solid UV flashlight for how big it is. So for 15 bucks and a 5-year warranty, I don't see this breaking anytime soon, but it's pretty good for 15 bucks. And it's made by OLIGHT, so you know you're getting a pretty good product. But if you're looking for bigger UV flashlights, check out this playlist over here. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and hit that bell notification for future Blacklight content. Thank you for watching. Mahalo!